Okay, so just like in my Poi lab, I have put 3D into this version as well. So let's have a look. There's some 3D patterns, not a ton of them. Flips. Let's just pick up one at random. Yes, the flips are very achievable with S-staffs and 8 rings. Oh, I missed my click. There we go, 8 rings. And like in staff, then it's kind of like it goes into the horizontal plane, though while it's moving it looks a little weird. Let's just go back to that. And they have twists as well. They're not so, a little bit harder, I would say. Let's see. Oh, especially weird in anti-spin. And again, there's only a few pattern categories, but there's more that are available if you just add 3D onto a normal pattern. Let's see what the travel looks like. Oh, that's not bad, that's not bad. Kinda strange. It's kind of weird to see non-symmetrical props moving around. So again, you can control all the 3D individually. So I got circle, half circle, and then for flips the same. So it flips, or it can flip half a flip. It still flips. There we go, in quarters as well. And then it kind of stays, and then the next quarter of a circle does the final part to flip. Still kind of have to imagine that it's going through a 3D plane. It is just image scaling, but I think if you don't have that much imagination, this app will probably help you out. Hopefully. Anyway, that's the most things it does.